kicking off a new vlog, start of a new week. Well, start of a new weekly vlog. It's actually Friday, so we're about to kick off the weekend. I can't wait to see what we get up to. I think we want to go to the mall. I want to get Noah a couple things. I want to go to Baby Gap because Baby Gap has so many cute little boys hats and stuff. So anyways, just waiting for Kyle to get off work and then we will go have some fun. So come on. Honey. That was cold. This is the best. Fully KO'd. So cute. Do you like this one? Yeah? Yeah?
Dude, give us a smile.
Yeah, look alive. Doogie, do you love the snow? Doogie, come here. Do you love the snow? Yeah, you do. Come on. Come on. Alberta winter. Where's your ball? Use your nose. Use your nose. I don't know where it is either. Oh no. Oh no. Searching for the dog ball.
Where's your ball? Where's your ball?
Where's your ball?
Where's your ball? Get your ball.
Let me see little baby Noah. Little baby Noah. You're so cute. How did you get so cute? Okay, we're going thrifting, I think.
Thank you. Look at it. It's covered in dog hair.
Handsome.
Whoa.
Handsome.
Okay. That's too much.
Okay, we're going thrifting. See, my eyes look green again. Well, they are green, but they look really green.
Okay, so
One thing my dad always taught me was not to go outside in the winter with wet hair, and also always bring a jacket. And my hair is wet, and I'm wearing a blazer, which I don't think counts as a jacket. So, Dad, sorry. I'm really not abiding by the rules. We're looking for like a solid wood dining room table, so hopefully we can find something that maybe we can refurbish, but we'll see. Also, I started painting my little nubs of nails because I am committing to stop biting them. I do this all the time. Like, I normally don't bite my nails, but every now and then, and when I'm going through like a stressful period or something, or change or whatever, I'll start biting my nails again. And with the move here, I've started biting my nails again. It's such a bad habit. So I've committed today to stop biting. And step one is keeping them painted. So we're gonna do that and we'll see how it goes. But I think I can do it. I've done it many times before, so hopefully it shouldn't be a problem. But I'll show you what the nails look like in a month or two. Just kidding, like 2 weeks is probably all I need. We're looking for Kyle. He left to go get a sweater because he didn't realize how cold it was. And Doogie's staring out the window at me, so I don't really know what's happening. But anyways, we'll be on the road soon, and I will take you along for the ride. Baby workout. It's not like a baby workout, but it's a bunch of moms who have just given birth. Well, there's some women who have like 10-month-olds. Noah's 6 months. There's some 2 months. And yeah, it's nice because you get to get a little workout in and bring your baby. So this is what you're doing all class.
You can put your things away or take my child. Your choice.
So you're gonna have your legs a little bit wider apart, feet a little bit closer together, and you're gonna start with a few rock backs.
I'm gonna do my makeup. I do my makeup so, don't mind my sideburns. I do my makeup so like a 12-year-old. Like, I don't know how to do actual makeup, so anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm probably gonna just speed this up. Okay, so what I do is I always just divide my hair in like half up, half down when I'm crimping it, because it doesn't need to be perfect. Just because that's the style isn't for it to look perfect. It's for it to be crimped. So I just do half up, half down, and then split it in half in the back. Pull half of it to one side, half of it to the other, and then I do what I just did. I go through the whole side. I don't make it too over the top at the bottom. And then I just repeat on the other side. So once the bottom is done, watching YouTube. Once the bottom is done, I just pull it to the back. I normally will just put an elastic around it once or twice. Again, it doesn't really matter if it gets kinked because it's already kinked. And then I just take down the top half. I have the thickest, longest hair, despite losing what feels like all of it when I shower because of postpartum. Ooh, I'm brushing this weird. I don't know. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I just brush out the top half. And then I just find my part. And then I split it, and then I actually fix my part. See, this is why I like when my nails are grown out, because I can find my part so much easier. But anyways, then I just have half and half in the front. This is still in the back. And then I just do one side at a time. So I'll just clamp this. Oh, just clamp that. I don't need to do that. I'm just gonna do that right now. Brush this out. And it is so quick and easy to do this. This hairstyle I'm obsessed with. I never thought in a million years I would be a crimped hair girly. I was like, that's just way too intense and like not my vibe. But I honestly love it. It's just so easy. The first day is it looks a little chaotic, but once it, like, you can sleep on it, you can wear it up, you can wear it down, it does not matter with, like, you're not gonna kink it anymore. It's so good. It can be casual, it can be dressy, it can be, like, I'm just obsessed with it. So, Doogie, no barking. Sometimes I'll redo it if the top is like a little bit much. I'll just like pull it through. And have it act as like a straightener a little bit. Just so it's not so intense on the top. Okay. final side. So simple. I like my hair straight too. Actually, I honestly never, well, if you call this straight, then yeah, I like it straight. I like it, I'll put a little curl in it a lot of the times, and a lot of times I'll just use my Dyson Airwrap. All the long hair, thick hair girlies know how literally doing your hair is a mission, especially when you're starting from the blow dry phase. It literally takes me, well, it takes me at least 10 minutes to blow dry, at least. And then, depending on what I'm doing, it'll take me a few minutes. Take me like 10 minutes to do. It's really actually not that bad. I'm being dramatic. It's, considering how long it is, it doesn't take that long. And I love doing hair. I think in another life, I was meant to be a hairdresser, or I was a hairdresser. I find it so fun. I don't hold when I'm doing the front, I don't hold the top piece on for very long. But anyways, so this is the look. Just pull it all out. And there, it's just like done, easy. Again, can be dressy. A lot of times I'll honestly just like put it in a ponytail and I just look a little bit more put together. My front pieces are like a little bit easy. Okay. I'm gonna start putting some outfits together for our Miami trip. I've become a very intentional packer in my older age. And I like to plan out all my outfits in advance before packing. So I know, like, at least I have an idea of what I'm going to wear. I might change my mind when I'm on a trip. Like, day to day, I might be like, I'm not feeling this. I'm going to do that one, or like whatever. So I'm not that type A about it when I'm there, but I just like to have things organized in my mind so I don't have to worry about that when I'm on vacation. So I'm going to start doing that. One of the packages have come in for our trip of Noah's clothes, also because he just needs new onesies because he's such a big boy. Are you a big boy playing in your skip hop? Yeah! You kick those legs, little man. Yeah! You kick those legs. Anyways, this is just one part of the package. But we got 4 onesies. This one is so cute, the little sharks. I'm obsessed. It's so cute. These 2, I love the little frog. And then we just got a couple long sleeve little swim onesies, I guess they're called. I don't know. For Miami. And a cute little hat. I want to go put this on him right now. For the sun. So we've got a few more packages still that need to come in, but we're off to a good start. I love you. Okay, we're gonna edit. And then we might wrap up the vlog pretty quick here. So I think maybe today will be the last day.